Hello traders and welcome to another video review. Today is Wednesday, December 4th, 2024. Let's take a look at the Ethereum. This is a daily time frame chart of Ether to Tether at the Zondacrypto. And we are looking at this particular cryptocurrency because it looks like this market wants to break again higher towards the another swing high here. So the first thing we would like to place on our chart in order to see what is going on here and have a bigger picture of what is going on here is this trend line. I've shown you this trend line before when you had it. I think that that's the most common and most appropriate trend line placement for this chart, and I will tell you that because it looks like this trend line has been tested here during this slight pullback. Let me just zoom out a little bit and make it a little bit bigger so you can see that we got very nice buying activity during the test of this trend line, and that's why we are breaking higher above this trend line these days. Let me just make it even more, there you go, more precise, and now we are ready with the trend line. Local high, let me just take a look, is 3,741. So that's the immediate technical resistance, but this level is not a target for our market. The target is 3,970. So that's the target, and of course the other target is 4,081. This is the target from the beginning of the 2024, and this this target is located at that level because of the 4084, because of the very simple situation. That's the yearly high. Yearly high made on March 12, 2024. Do we have the chance to test this yearly high? Yes. When? Possibly even before the end of the year 2024. Why? Because the altcoin season is on, and altcoin dominance is right now very significant, and the Bitcoin dominance is getting lower and lower day by day, which is why plenty of the altcoins is now rallying higher, and now it's time for the momentum to join. Solana had its moments, XRP has its moments as well. Now it's time for the momentum, and it looks like the Ethereum bulls want to prove something, want to prove that this market is not the one that you should just disregard and forget about. I guess that this looks very bullish to me. This whole situation here looks very bullish to me. If we apply some RSI indicator, simple RSI indicator, you can see that we didn't even went below the level of 56 during the pullback, and this pullback was done here. During this movement, as you can see, the momentum was still climbing higher, was very strong, was still on the elevated levels, but not too much elevated levels, if you know what I mean. The levels were not extremely overbought, which is why this market can stay close to the level of the 70, right, while the price is moving higher. So the indicator can stay here and the price will be moving high because it's a trending market. It looks pretty clear for me that this is a trending market. If we apply our favorite indicator, a very simple indicator by the way, which is called moving average, to be honest, moving average crossover, 100 and 200 are showing us very interesting things. We have a death cross here issued on the August 2024, which is right now almost completely invalidated, as 100 periods moving average is crossing significantly higher, and the same thing is with the 200 periods moving average. We just have to wait for the cross of these two in order to issue the golden cross, as it was done on the Bitcoin already. You can take a look at the Bitcoin daily time frame chart, and you can see the golden cross after the death cross was made. Mostly because we got this 8 months period of the consolidation and slight corrective cycle on the Ethereum. Now it's time for the Ethereum to shine back on and move higher on the chart. The highs of the 4,084 are still possible even this year, and if not on the beginning of the new year, it's quite possible that the market will break this level and make another swing high. The road to the higher levels on the Ethereum is apparently open right now. All we need to do is to keep this momentum steady, keep this momentum going higher, so then the bulls can see what they can do. Next target 3,970, the other target 4,084. That's everything from me for today. Thank you very much for watching this analysis, and I hope I see you guys next time. Take care and bye bye.